Today I am reviewing the ATEC 64GB kit RAM for ASUS TUF Gaming F15. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you own a 10th generation ASUS TUF Gaming F15 laptop, you already know is an absolute workhorse of a machine. Models like the FX506, the FX506LH, the FX506Li, and the FX506LU are famous for delivering solid, reliable performance. However, as modern games get more demanding and creative applications consume more resources, that stock memory your laptop shipped with can quickly become a massive performance bottleneck. If you find your laptop stuttering when you have too many browser tabs open, lagging during intensive gaming sessions, or freezing up while editing videos, it is time for an upgrade. That brings us to the ATEC 64GB DDR4 RAM upgrade kit. This dual-channel kit consists of two matching 32GB modules designed specifically to maximize the memory capacity of your 10th Gen ASUS TUF F15. Let's dive straight into the technical specifications. This kit runs at 2933 MHz, which matches the PC 4-20-3-4-100 speed standard. It is a dual-rank, non-ECC unbuffered SODIMM configuration operating at the JEDEC standard of 1.2 volts. What all of that technical jargon means for you is absolute stability, because it perfectly matches the exact voltage and clock speed required by your Intel 10th generation processor. Your system doesn't have to work extra hard or run hot to manage the memory. It functions exactly the way the original engineers intended, just with a massive increase in overhead. Upgrading to 64 GB might sound like overkill to casual users, but for power users and serious gamers, it is a total game changer. Standard laptops usually ship with 8 or 16 GB of RAM. When you open a modern game, those assets load into your memory. If you run out of physical space, Windows is forced to use your storage drive as virtual memory, which causes massive frame drops and stutters. By expanding your pool to 64 GB, you completely eliminate that bottleneck. You can stream your gameplay, run Discord in the background, keep dozens of browser tabs open, and record your sessions simultaneously without a single hitch. Furthermore, if you use your TUF gaming laptop for creative productivity, like heavy video editing in Adobe Premiere, 3D rendering, or running virtual machines, this upgrade will make your laptop feel like a brand new machine. Large projects that used to cause the system to chug or crash now stay smooth and highly responsive because your system has the breathing room it needs to handle massive workloads. One of the biggest pain points people worry about when buying computer hardware is installation. Fortunately, upgrading the RAM on the ASUS TUF F15 is incredibly fast and simple. You do not need to be a computer engineer or a professional technician to do this at home. All it takes is a small screwdriver to pop off the bottom panel of your laptop. Once inside, you simply unclip the old low-capacity RAM sticks, slide the new ATEC modules into the 260-pin slots at a slight angle, and press them down until they click into place. When you boot the laptop back up, the system automatically detects the new hardware without you needing to configure anything in the BIOS. Another reason I highly recommend this specific kit from ATEC is the reliability factor. Every single memory module undergoes stringent quality control testing before it ever leaves the factory to ensure dependable performance out of the box. On top of that, ATEC backs this product with a limited lifetime warranty, and they have a highly knowledgeable tech support team available to help you both before and after your purchase if you ever run into a hitch. To wrap it all up, the ATEC 64GB RAM upgrade kit is one of the single best investments you can make for your 10th generation ASUS TUF F15. It is affordable, remarkably easy to install, completely stable, and provides an instant, dramatic boost to your laptop's overall responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. It breathes entirely new life into a fantastic laptop line. Thank you for listening, and happy gaming.